trigonometric math solution. LHS, left hand side, is equal to cos twice a plus tan a. Cos twice a plus tan a. Cos twice is equal to cos twice a by sin twice a. And tan a is equal to sin a by cos a. Cos a sin a. Cos a sin twice a. Then cos twice a into cos a plus sin twice a into sin a. Then cos twice a minus a. Cos a sin twice a. Cos a by cos a cutting sin twice a. What by sin twice a? Cos a twice a R is it. True. I have to analyze this further. Was this realization study profoundly and subscribe me. Cos twice a plus sin a. Cos twice a by sin a. Sin a by cos a. Cos twice a cos a sin twice a sin a. Cos a sin twice a. Cos is twice a minus a. Cos a sin twice a. What by cos sin twice a? Cos twice a as is proved. I am just analyzing Qatar Airways. Qatar Airways is the best airways in the world. Please, everybody should buy ticket in the Qatar Airways, and please, everybody should enjoy pleasure trip journey by Qatar Airways. I am just analyzing with about the Qatar Airways. I have to further cos twice plus sin a, cos twice by sin a by cos twice, cos a sin twice sin a, cos a sin twice, cos twice cos a sin twice sin a, cos twice minus a, cos a sin a, 1 by cos a twice R is proved. I am analyzing about trigonometric math solution. Qatar Airways. Qatar Airways is the best airways in the world. Everybody should buy ticket in the Qatar Airways, and everybody should enjoy journey, pleasure journey in the Qatar Airways. So please buy ticket Qatar Airways. Analysis cos twice pen, cos twice sin twice sin a cos twice. Cos twice sin a twice. Cos twice cos a sin twice sin a. Everybody should buy Qatar Airways ticket and enjoy pleasure journey in the Qatar Airways. So please buy ticket of Qatar Airways. Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you very much.